Hi friends! I want to talk today about how to make your very own rollerball blend, and today I am going to make one for sore, achy joints and muscles. So what I'm going to use is I have my rollerball materials, and then I'll touch on which oils I'm going to be using as well. So I have here Aroma Touch, which is doTERRA's massage blend. This is perfect for helping work out any of the tension in your muscles or any kind of soreness. Deep Blue, which is doTERRA's soothing blend, and this one is, a lot of people kind of correlate it to like an icy hot kind of feeling, but this is amazing for really helping work out that soreness and achiness in your muscles and joints. The other ones I have on hand that I'm using are Copaiba, which is amazing for soothing the skin, helping with the achy muscles and joints, as well as reducing some like nervous tension, helping with your nervous system. The last one I have is lemongrass, which is also amazing for ligament, joint pain and tenderness. So these are the ones I'm going to be using today, and I'll show you really quick what I am going to do. So I'm going to add about 6 drops each, and I'll start with our Deep Blue. And some of the oils, you can see they come out fast, and some are a little bit slower. They each have their own viscosity. So, okay, so that was the Deep Blue. Here's the Copaiba. 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see that one's a lot slower. The next one we'll do is the lemongrass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And our last one, the Aroma Touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what I'm going to do next is I will top it off with some fractionated coconut oil. You can use other carrier oils. This is the one I prefer. And I also like that it comes with this little spout. It makes it so easy to just squirt the oil into the roller bottle. All right, and then what you'll do is add your roller ball piece to the glass, and it's gonna snap, and then you can kind of see it's not on all the way. You have to really make sure, get that second snap. There you go, just screw on the lid, mix it up, and you're all set to go. And this is amazing, like I said, for joints, achy joints, sore muscles, and any kind of ligament pain. So you can roll this on wherever you are having those issues. And the one tip, I feel like a lot of people with essential oils, they'll try something once and say, oh, well, it didn't work. But you have to really use these regularly. It's like saying taking Tylenol one time didn't help to solve your headaches long term. So anyways, just a little tip. Use these frequently, and don't be scared to use them, especially with the oil. They're diluted, and so they're going to really help to soak into the skin and really help with whatever achy joints and tension that you have. So I hope that you have enjoyed learning how to make your very own rollerball today, and feel free, please subscribe to my channel and follow along for more tips and tricks. And you can also follow me on Instagram at allnaturalnorthwestgirl.